Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two robot vacuum cleaners that promise to make your life easier. In the red corner, we have the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner, and in the blue corner, we have the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's dive into the details and find out which one comes out on top. When it comes to cleaning performance, both the Lefant and ROPVACNIC have some impressive features. The Lefant M210 boasts a unique brushless suction port, ensuring that pet hair and dirt go straight into the dustbin without getting tangled. It also offers 6 different cleaning modes including Auto Clean, Spot Clean, Edge Clean, Zigzag Clean, Scheduled Clean, and Manual Clean. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes equipped with a 3000 pascals Cyclone Cleaning System that increases cleaning efficiency by 30%. It's perfect for vacuuming dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris on various surfaces. It also offers 6 cleaning modes including Auto Cleaning, Spot Cleaning, Edge Cleaning, Schedule Cleaning, Manual Control, and Zigzag Cleaning. Now let's talk about the smart features of these robot vacuum cleaners. The Lefant M210 comes with a smart app and voice control compatibility. You can schedule cleaning sessions, adjust the suction power, and even control the direction of the vacuum through the Lefant app. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to give voice commands for a truly hands-free experience. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner also offers smart app and voice control capabilities. You can control the cleaning modes, monitor the real-time status, and set scheduled cleanings through the ROPVACNIC app. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it convenient to control with just your voice. Design and maneuverability play a crucial role in a robot vacuum cleaner's performance. The Lefant M210 has a small body design, allowing it to easily clean under furniture and hard-to-reach areas. It's only 2.99 inches in height, ensuring it can navigate around beds, sofas, and other obstacles with ease. Its upgraded FreeMove Technology 2.0 helps it detect stuck areas and adjust the cleaning path automatically. Similarly, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts a compact design measuring at a mere 2.99 inches in height. It effortlessly accesses and cleans under beds, furniture, and other hard-to-reach places. With its sophisticated sensing system and dual rotating electric side brushes, it can collect hidden dust and hair from edges and corners. Based on online reviews, customers have had positive experiences with both the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Here are some sentiments from the reviews. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Both of these products offer excellent cleaning performance, smart features, and impressive design and maneuverability. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and preferences better. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, letting us know which product you would choose and why. Thank you for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.